Vipak in the Dhammsangani. Now we are going to discuss Vipak or resultant on the basis of the text Abhidhammat Sangho. Literally, Vipak means fruit. Just as a tree gives fruit, similarly, there is the fruit of the various types of consciousness. A consciousness arises in particular moment and it ceases to exist in the next moment. While reaching it, leaves its impression similar to it on the surface of the mind. Such impression of the consciousness is called as Vipak. Consciousness goes on arising and ceasing and leaves impression in our mind, and this impression is called as Vipak. There are two types of actions. First, one purifies our mind. Second, one pollutes our mind. Vipak is the resultant of the consciousness, moral or immoral. If the consciousness is moral, the fruit is also moral, and if the consciousness is immoral, the fruit is also immoral. Vipak becomes one with the consciousness. Result is not a physical thing but a mental phenomena and remains one with the consciousness. There are altogether 36 types of Vipakas or the resultant consciousness which are enumerated below. Akusal Vipak 7, Ahetuk Kamavachar Kusal Vipak 8, Sahetuk Kamavachar Kusal Vipak 8, Rupavachar Vipak 5, Arupavachar Vipak 4, Lokuttar Vipak 4. Altogether there are 36 types of consciousness which are called as Vipak. When a consciousness is not associated with any type of hetus, it is called as Ahetuk Chit. Hetu Vipayuttam Chittam Ahetukam Chittam Nama. Now the question arises, since Ahetuk Chit are not associated with any hetu, moral or immoral, how do they function? It is significant to note that consciousness functions without any hetu because of two reasons. The Sahetuk type of consciousness function on the basis of the previous moral and immoral deeds. The moral or immoral deeds done in the past exercise their influence in the present moment, and due to the force of these actions, there is the arising of function of the Ahetuk Chit. The function of Hetu begins when the nature of the object is determined. This is done in Utthapan stage. There are the type of the consciousness which arise before that, and as such there is no functioning of Hetu, and therefore it is known as Ahetuk. Ahetuk Chit is of 18 types which can be divided into 3 divisions. Ahetuk Akusal Vipak 7, Ahetuk Kusal Vipak 8, Ahetuk Kriya 3. Altogether there are 18. The 7 Ahetuk Akusal Vipak are Upekha Sahagatam Chakku Viyanam, Upekha Sahagatam Sot Viyanam, Upekha Sahagatam Ghan Viyanam, Upekha Sahagat Jihva Viyanam, Dukh Sahagat Kai Viyanam, Upekha Sahagatam Sampatichan Chittam, Upekha Sahagatam Santiran Chittam, Cheti Mani Satpi Akusal Vipak Chittani Nama. The 8 Ahetuk Kusal Vipak are as below. Upekha Sahagatam Chakhu Viyanam, Upekha Sahagatam Sot Viyanam, Upekha Sahagatam Ghan Viyanam, Upekha Sahagatam Jihva Viyanam, Sukh Sahagatam Kai Viyanam, Upekha Sahagata Sapatichan Chittam, Somanas Sahagatam Santiran Chittam, Cheti Mani At Pi Kusal Vipak Ahetuk Chittani Nama. Since Sahetuk Kamavachar Kusal Chitta is of 8 types and they live resultants according to their nature. So, Sahetuk Kamavachar Vipak Chittas are also of 8 types. सोमनस सहगतम यान संपयुत्तम असंखारिकम एकम सोमनस सहगतम यान संपयुत्तम ससंखारिकम एकम सोमनस सहगतम यान विपयुत्तम असंखारिकम सोमनस सहगतम यान विपयुत्तम ससंखारिकम उपेक्षा सहगतम यान संपयुत्तम असंखारिकम एकम उपेक्षा सहगतम यान संपयुत्तम ससंखारिकम एकम उपेक्षा सहगतम यान विपयुत्तम असंखारिकम एकम उपेक्षा सहगतम यान विपयुत्तम ससंखारिकम एकम ती इमानी अठपी सहेतुक कामावचर विपाक चित्तानी नामा. Rupavachar Vipak Chitta consists of 5 stages of ecstasy. Vitak Vichar Piti Sukh Ekagta Sahitam Patham Jhanam Vipak Chittam Vichar Piti Sukh Ekagta Sahitam Dutiya Jhan Vipak Chittam Piti Sukh Ekagta Sahitam Tatiya Jhan Vipak Chittam Sukh Ekagta Sahitam Pancham Jhan Vipak Chittam Upekha Sahgatam Sahitam Pancham Jhan Vipak Chittam Cheti Mani Panchapi Rupavachar Kusal Chittani Nama. There are 4 types of Arupavachar Vipaka Chitta, namely Akasa Inchaitan Vipaka Chittam, Bhyana Inchaitan Vipaka Chittam, Akinchaitan Vipaka Chittam, Nevsanya Nasanya Aitan Vipaka Chittam, Cheti Imani Chattari Pi Arupavachar Vipaka Chittani Nama. There are 4 types of supramundane resultant consciousness. Sotapatti, Phal Chittam, Sakdagami, Phal Chittam, Anagami, Phal Chittam, Arhat Phal Chittam, Cheti Imani Chattari Pi Lokuttar Vipaka Chittani Nama. The text makes a mention of as below. कुशल अकुशलानम धम्मानम विपाका कामावचरा रूपावचरा अरूपावचरा अपर्यापन्ना वेदना खंदो संज्ञा खंदो संखार खंदो बियान खंदो इमे धम्मा विपाका. Thus, there are 36 types of resultant consciousness. When the Yogavachar practices 5 of the Rupa Jhan in the Lokuttar plane, each of the 8 types of Lokuttar Chittas become 5, making a total number of 40 types of consciousness, in which 20 are Kusal and 20 are Vipak. Thus, the number of Vipaka Chitta is increased by 16 and it becomes 52 in total as Kamavachar 23, Rupavachar 5, Arupavachar 4 and Lokuttar 20. Now, we are going to discuss Kriya Chitta in the Abhidhammat Sangaho. Kriya means action. Karanam Karanamattam Kriyam. It is inoperative or functional chitta. Good deeds of the Buddha and Arhantas are called Kriya because karma is not accumulated by them as they have gone beyond both good and evil. Like the Kusala chitta, it has no vipak. Hence, Kriya Chitta is that consciousness which is not pregnant with the resultant. This is Arhat Chitta.